There has been so much growth during the time we were gone. It's nice to be back in our garden again, listening to the birds, seeing green everywhere, and walking on green grass. In the south of Spain where we were, the grass was kind of dry and spiky, so we missed walking around barefoot in soft green grass. It's nice to have that again. The rhubarb is big and healthy and thriving, so I'm looking forward to making a few things with rhubarb soon. And our lettuce is growing. I only planted a few seeds a few weeks ago. I like adding chard or kale to nearly any dinner, or sometimes to a smoothie. We also have so many nettles growing in little patches around the garden. I always like using nettles at this time of the year. For example, I have a recipe on my blog for scrambled eggs with wild herbs, if you want to check that out. And about 2 years ago, I posted how to make a mint and nettle lemonade. It's not really a proper lemonade, more like a sweetened herbal tea with fresh lemon juice added. It's healthy, tasty, and very refreshing, especially when you add ice cubes. My kids and I love it. So I decided to make some yesterday when it was warm outside. my daughter and I sat out on a blanket in the garden. We brought some books to read and also our sketchbooks and paints to do some nature journaling. I've been really enjoying a new book, The Laws Guide to Nature Drawing. We've only just started reading it and doing a few of the prompts, but it's absolutely wonderful. There's so much inspiration in there, for drawing, for noticing, for really being present in nature. One of the things I love about The Laws Guide to Nature Drawing is that it's not just about how to draw, it's really about how to see. It encourages you to slow down, to look more closely, to ask questions and to get curious about the details around you. There's lots of helpful guidance on drawing plants, animals, landscapes, even weather, and it's all done in this really encouraging way that makes you feel like anyone can try it. It's a mix of art, science and mindfulness, really. Such a beautiful book. And if you enjoy nature journaling or just want to start noticing more when you're outside, I think you would really love it too. Thank you for spending a quiet garden day with me. You can find the herbal lemonade recipe and more on the blog. I leave a link in the description. So thanks very much for watching, and I talk to you soon again.